It's a great day when I get to visit with my friend Ryan E. Murphy of the Ryan E. Murphy Law Firm. How are you, sir? Good to see you.
I'm doing great. How are you?
Well, you know what? Today we've got some viewer questions. You know, if you are unsure about a certain thing in the law, you're the expert to ask. So do you mind if I ask you one of our viewer questions?
Listen, I love it.
Okay, here we go. Ryan, I had an accident while driving my work truck for my employer. Is this a work injury? Also, can I file a civil suit against the person who hit me? Now that sounds like a doozy of a question.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, it's a tough one, but I do know the answer. So, you are driving the course and scope of your employment. So then you will absolutely have a work comp claim, okay? Because you were driving, doing a dangerous activity. Driving is more dangerous than what we kind of give it credit for.
Mm-hmm.
And you were injured in the course and scope of your employment. And so you'll have a work comp claim. But if the person that caused the accident was a negligent driver, you'll also have a civil claim against that person, meaning a claim brought in circuit court for the damages they caused you, whatever injury it was that they caused you.
All right, so I'm thinking, so there's the work element side and then the civil side. So does the driver, the employee, handle the civil side, or does the work side have to get involved?
It actually is even more complicated than that. And this is why I tell everyone, and you and I have talked about this before. All right, I give free consultations so that we can sit down and go through every fact, every specific fact for each individual. Some people take their work cars home, and there will be, and then maybe drive it on an errand or something along those lines. So it'll be very fact specific. It will depend on whether or not they're doing work, for their employer, or whether they're just driving the work vehicle still. Now, just being in the work vehicle won't be enough to trigger work comp liability. The negligent driver will still be at fault for the damages that they caused, but that'll be outside of work comp in a civil suit.
Well, I didn't even think about that, but you're right. A lot of people do that.
Yeah.
So when you're saying the free consultation, each case is going to be different, and there's so many different avenues to each case. That's why it's probably pertinent to come in and talk to you first.
Yeah, it is really, that's the reason we offer the free consultation, because even just a brief phone call where they're giving us details, it's not really enough. It means a lot to meet with someone face-to-face, to be able to ask them specific questions based upon the inputs that they just gave me and the facts that they just gave me. And then it allows me to determine whether I can help that individual and get them a legal remedy that they deserve.
And when you're speaking of the legal remedy on this particular question, that means you're dealing with the employer side, and then would you deal with that civil side as well?
Well, I wouldn't deal with the civil side simply because I focus exclusively on representing injured employees. However, I have, just being in this business in Springfield for now almost 23 years, developed a lot of lawyer friends who are very, very good at representing people in their area of the law, whether it be car accidents, slip and falls, I mean, you name it.
Yeah.
And so I would get that person to the right lawyer.
See, that's a good thing. Come meet with you, because you're helping them in this avenue, if you will, but you can also steer them in the right direction for a different avenue if that warrants.
Yeah, that's exactly correct. These are lawyers that I know personally who have long histories of representing clients, and that in whatever individual area that they have chosen to focus on. I represent work comp, I represent people hurt at work, and I limit my practice to that. Well, other lawyers limit their practice, and they don't have a clue about work comp, but they're incredibly talented at whatever they choose to do. And so I'll make certain to get whoever calls me, if they need a different kind of lawyer, I'll recognize that need, and I'll make certain to get them to the right kind of person.
Well, that's why you are the work comp expert, my friend. So thank you for that question. That was an amazing question. I hadn't heard that one yet, so thank you for that.
That's
if
kind
somebody,
of tough.
It was, but you got it. You got it, guy. If somebody wants that consultation, what's the first step? How do they get in touch with you?
Well, certainly going to the website. The website will have an opportunity to chat initially with someone. It will have a lot of information that people ask you initially, and it will certainly have our phone number. All right, if they've already decided that they need to meet with me, they can just call. All right, we'll be able to answer the phone. We'll be able to set up a free consultation with them, usually within a day or two based upon their schedule. And I will personally sit down and meet with them, and we'll go through it and their individual facts and make certain that we get them everything that they're supposed to get.
Yeah, and if you have a question about workman's comp, anything, you got to call the expert at Ryan E. Murphy Law Firm. Ryan, always good to see you, my friend.
Hey, thank you. Good to see you.